I am going to make some cookies for a cookie exchange that I have tomorrow. I'm in my pajamas because it is currently 8:30 at night. I had to work today. And the cookie exchange is tomorrow. I don't want to spend all day baking, so let me grab my apron really quick. I normally don't go to things like this because, one, I don't like to eat other people's food, and I feel bad saying no, and two, yeah, it's just not normally my thing. But my boyfriend's sister asked if I would participate in a cookie exchange with some ladies, and I said, sure, why not? The big thing this year is like Ralph Lauren Christmas, a classy Christmas. So I'm going to make normal, they're kind of like sugar cookies, like a normal cookie. We're going to put M&Ms in it. We'll put cinnamon Teddy Grahams on the top of the cookies. So we're going to put butter in first. This is Irish butter. It's a lot of butter. Brown sugar, this is brown sugar and regular sugar, cane sugar. So you just fold it in, basically. Fold it in.
Huh?
And
If you say fold in one more time.
It says fold it in!
This is your recipe!
My new oven didn't come in time for the cookie exchange, unfortunately. I was really hoping that I would make my cookies in the brand new oven, but that's okay. And that's what it looks like, all nice and creamy. Okay. Then we're going to add, I put the eggs and vanilla in together. This vanilla is from Mexico. I got it in algodones. Okay, so now I have the flour, baking soda, baking powder, and salt. I always clean as I go, so let's do that. There's nothing worse than someone being like a messy cook, but some people like really thrive on that. Like my boyfriend and his family, when they cook, they do not clean as they go, so then they have this huge mess. But it works for them, I guess. It's never worked for me. Now we're going to fold in the M&Ms. It's supposed to be 1.5 cups, but let's just see. Wow, look how Christmassy that looks. In this episode of This Old House, I have to wash my hands. I normally, like I said earlier, I don't really do things like this. And to be like kind of embarrassing, I don't have a lot of friends. My brother, who likes to do stuff like this, he lives in Nevada, where the rest of my family's at. And so it's nice. I'm excited that I was invited to this. It's good to have good people around, especially when you're going through a trying time. It's very important to surround yourself with good people. I always burn something, so I will set the timer. I'll set the timer this time. Oops. Well, I just realized you should probably make sure that the bear has all of their hands and feet for it to be cute. Some of them are missing the limb. So cute. I packaged them up, and these are the ones that I have left. Aren't they so cute? These are the boxes I put them in. Each of them have 6. Aren't they so cute? And then I have extra.
Perfect.
Perfect, perfect, perfect. These are literally the cutest. Anyways, I'm gonna go to the cookie exchange tomorrow and we'll see how it is. I have a little bit of anxiety because it's a new thing for me. I told Vince's sister that it's like, it feels like a first date, but with 9 cookies. It's mainly like the women. I don't know who they are. I don't think. Thank you for baking with me. I know it was a short video, but now that I've tried them and I like them, I will post the recipe down below and let me know if you've made them, if you like them, or if you have made them. They're pretty good. They're super cute. I already had one. I can't have another. It'll hurt my stomach. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.